So we had a much better sleep last night. Well, not much better. We had a good sleep.
Great, yeah.
It was a great sleep. Feel much better today. The neighbors are starting to roll in. That is one massive ship. I don't think he's left enough swing room for him. This looks like CGI. Anyway, we gotta go to shore and check in, and then go get some groceries. Our milk's all gone bad, and I think just from the heat, and like we've had to shut the fridge off a bunch of times because of the batteries. Wow. So anyways,
Not too much scope, guys.
Wonder what they're doing. 5 to 1 maybe?
Enjoy! Thanks, you too, man!
Did he say lobster?
Lobster!
No way! Thanks, Mike.
Fair wind!
Thank you so much.
thank
You
you.
too.
With butter, of course!
Lots of butter. So Mike is, we saw him when we left Santa Maria. We sailed down kind of with him yesterday. We told him, we went out for dinner with him last night, and we told him that we've never had lobster before. And so he just came by and gave us some lobster.
There's some lobster tails.
Oh good, they're already dead. So how do you cook them?
Boil them and then cut them on the back of the spine, you said, they crack open.
Oh, cool. So I'll give them a try. Thanks, Mike. Expanding our seafood horizons. So we just went into town again to check in, and it's closed again. We went yesterday, or like last night, and it was closed when it said it was supposed to be open. And we called today, and somebody answered, and then we went there, and it was closed. So it's a bit of a wash going into town, but we've got to do a bunch of work today. We got to edit an episode for you guys and get that uploaded and posted, and then we gotta go get laundry done and go get grocery shopping done. But yesterday, our door in the head, it's been kind of, the handle's been going, and it fully like broke yesterday, so we can't open this back door. I took off the handles because I thought that I'd be able to get it open when I take those off, but I can't. So now there's no handle, which I could reinstall, but it's not going to do anything. But yeah, it's fully broken. I can't open it, and it's so hot in here that we need all the airflow we can get. So I'm trying to take it off. I took the hinges apart here, the pins out, and I'm trying to get it out, but it's firmly stuck. So, and we've got that in there. So I don't know how this is gonna go. We got back to the boat and Lyndon immediately stripped down to his underwear because it's so hot. We just gotta get used to it. We love the heat, but we just gotta get used to it. I discovered why it broke. It fully sheared off this piece. So she's broken. I'm just saying, it's fully sheared off.
Yep.
So like it won't latch anymore.
Yep, she's broke. I can tell you what the issue is.
Thank you.
It's broken.
Expert.
Well, we're up early and we're gonna try for the 4th time to check into Los Cabos. Hopefully they're open. Oh, it's open. It's open today, yeah!
Checked in, that took like 10 minutes.
Nicest.
So easy, so nice.
How sweaty is my back?
Stress sweaty. Okay.
Sweating through my shirt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, this is the 4th day in a row that Lyndon has worn a dress shirt because we tried to look really nice because our stress levels are still really high with all these official places we have to go. Oh, thank you. So we just got back. Oh boy, that's full hay. We got back just a little bit ago from our time in the town today. We checked in successfully this morning and it was super awesome, super smooth. And then we got roped into doing some timeshare stuff because we wanted to do some free activities, and the only way you can get to do them for free is if you go do timeshare presentations. The clouds just rolled in, so it's very overcast. They look really dark. There's supposed to be some rain this week, so I don't know if it's already arrived, but we're gonna finally cook the lobster that Mike gave us and try that out. I'm gonna boil them in salt water for like 5 minutes. I think that's what he said. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, it's been a good day.
It's been a great day. Oh yeah, Ben and Genevieve from Molnier arrived this morning, and so it was so nice to see them and just people that, friends. It was nice to see friends. Hey?
Yeah, familiar faces, really nice.
Yeah.
So?
I boiled them. It's so rocky. I don't think this presentation is very...
The anchorage today is just crazy rolly, but that's not bad. Tiff's boiled these up. I don't know how we're feeling about them.
Not great at this point.
Yeah, but we're gonna give it a shot.
I just feel like this is all like, you don't want to eat all that stuff. I don't ever remember seeing this. I don't know if you're supposed to...
I don't know, he said crack the back
open.
Look
at
open.
that.
With a knife, he said crack the back open with a knife.
I know. Oop. Did I do all the way down?
That was close.
That is so much more meat than a crab, hey?
How's it taste?
I don't know.
Babe, just try some meat so I can put the camera in.
I don't want to try it.
Did I cook it long enough? That's pretty good.
That butter's really good.
The meat's actually really good. It's good, yeah. Try yours, crack her open. Yes. Whoa, that was We are going to ride Dune buggies today. We're very excited. It's very early. We were up way too late last night, hanging out with Ben and Genevieve. And we regret booking so early, but it'll be actually nice because it's not going to be in the heat of the day. I'm really excited. Gotta pump up our dinghy again because it really is deflating fast. There's got to be more holes in it. Neighbors today. They are extremely close. If the wind shifts, we are done for. It's probably really windy. We got back yesterday from our side-by-side, the Dune buggy thing, which is really fun. They really didn't want you to video or take pictures, so we just got a little bit of footage for you guys. Hopefully it was okay. And anyways, we got back and both of us like got hit with stomach something. I think it's Mexican food. Did I cook it long enough? I don't know. We both like slept the rest of the day and just felt awful. So today we feel a lot better. Anyways, yeah, there's a system blowing through. Yesterday was pretty windy and so is today. It's crazy. The D-ring on the front of the dinghy fully ripped through. And thankfully last night Lyndon just tied another line to the dinghy handles. Just, I don't know, just in case. And in the morning the D-ring was ripped through, so. Anyway, I jumped in the water because it's actually super warm still. It's just too warm. Lyndon's been editing. He's such a wonderful editor. He's so much, anyways, he's so much faster than I am, so. He's been doing a lot of the editing, which I don't know if you guys knew. Yeah. So, we were supposed to be riding jet skis today, or wave runners, but anyway, it turned out to be another timeshare thing and we just didn't want to sit through it all. So that was a wash.
Free breakfast. That was a real bummer. We're wasted in the morning.
The timeshare thing around here is like hardcore. You can totally get free stuff by doing them, but it's just a matter of sacrificing your time to do them. Anyway, we're gonna go snorkel around the boat because the water's super clear today and there's a bunch of fish down there. So nice out.